Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa, and in this video we are going to discuss about the product from IKEA, the product called as aspekt. So it is IKEA 365. You know about IKEA 365. It has all lot of different varieties of products in IKEA 365 plus. So IKEA 365 plus has one of the item is called as aspekt. So this particular aspekt, I purchased it for 149 rupees in Indian currency, is almost $2 in US currency. The price is 237 rupees, which is around $3.5 in US currency around, but I got it for $2 only. So in $2 you will get a big aspekt. There was another one which are quite smaller one, but I opted for the quite smaller one, also the same price. But this is basically as per your convenience, which one that you want. So I would say if you are getting a bigger one for the same price, definitely go for that. And we will quickly open it and we will see. And before that, let me tell you about the dimensions. So it comes with different dimensions. So right now I have with a length of 21 centimeter and width of 15 centimeter. This is 21 and this is 15 centimeter. So I hope this is clear, guys. And you will get some kind of space over here where you can put your lunch box, or on the bottom also, so that you can put on top of your lunch box, whether if you want on the bottom of the lunch box or on your maybe lunch box, maybe any box that you want, maybe a ice cream box, maybe a cold drinks box, and anything that you want, you can put this particular item on top or on bottom as per your convenience. So you will also get a tire, maybe a rope along with it, a rubber to hold the particular box that you will put on top or on bottom. So let us quickly open it, guys, and see how the product is. Let me tell you, it is made in China, and IKEA imports it from China and then it sells. Most of the IKEA products that you know are built in China, but the quality will be pretty awesome and the price would be affordable, guys. So trust me, this is affordable price. And if you want this particular product at your home place, maybe if you are from India, you can definitely contact me over my email address. I'll try to deliver this product to your home with some shipping charges maybe. So let me know if you want that as well. And quickly open it. So guys, this is the product. So I guess you are able to hear the noise of the liquid inside it. I don't know whether it's a water or some kind of chemical which is inside this, but it is, you cannot replace the water, I believe, or maybe they might have given some. I don't think it is replaceable, but I need to go ahead and check it out. Maybe I'll post a different video to tell you guys whether it is replaceable or not. And this particular rope is quite useful, guys, and trust me, this is useful because you can put any of the product on top of this. Maybe if you want to put it on the bottom, you can do the same thing. You just need to rotate this and you can put it on the bottom as well. So any type, or if you have a rectangular shape of box, you can put it. Even if you don't have a rectangular shape, you just need to keep it like this and then put it on top of any of the box or bottom of any of the box, so that your box will definitely be cooled for a long duration of time. IKEA claims that if you are going out, maybe for in a beach or somewhere, you definitely carry this particular item along with your cold item, so that your cold item will be cooled for almost around 2 to 3 hours post you go to the sun. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful, and do hit the like button if you like the particular video, and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thanks, guys, and thanks for watching. Take care.